Can I be the teacher's pet? Nope. That's sad. I've got a kit, Blue. A making kit? No. A stink bomb and poo kit. Let's do it in the teacher's office. Let's set that bomb off. What's that smell? We need to run the school fair. It's too smelly. Let's sell this office. Can I have the office? Yes, you can. £1,000, please. Tissue roll for £5. This is the bouncy castle. I've got a tummy ache from the stink bomb. Me too. Pop! What's gone wrong? I'll fix it. I can't fix this. The bouncy castle is deflating. Oh no! I am the worst bird in the school, aren't I?